All right, coming up.
All right.
Timer cleared.
All right, I'm ready.
Okay.
Gear up.
Oh, that's right. I gotta fly. It changes without the tanks. I haven't flown without tanks for a long time.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I usually leave them on, but it's faster without.
Yes.
Significantly faster.
Here's a. Okay. There we go.
I may have grabbed the 4S pack. I may have grabbed the 4S pack.
What are you flying? 4 or 5?
5.
Yeah. I usually fly mine on 5S. Well, I always fly it on a 5S.
Oh, that's 5.
Time remaining.
We're good.
7 minutes.
Might have just hit some wind because it just didn't want to move. There we go. Cruising. That was close. The wind pushed me into you. That was really close. Huh? I know, I didn't want to move too much because I didn't want to move into you. But the wind pushed me, just like it did there.
Right. Up there.
Now it's up there. See, let's push it. Whoa, what the heck? Okay. Go ahead, go. I'm coming behind you.
Time remaining. 6 minutes.
It's actually less stable with the tanks off.
You normally fly it with a tank, don't you?
Yeah. I think I will.
Probably had it all trimmed out for it.
It was. It's okay though. I'm all right. I'll be fine. Oh, you can't? Right.
But the ones on the end are on.
Okay.
I'm worried about for transporting, but it's not really a problem.
Okay.
The body is so thick.
Right.
Keep the pressure off.
Time remaining. 5 minutes.
These are pretty well matched. Oh yeah, they'll be fine in these.
EDFs, my little alert would be going off.
Going off like crazy, yeah. These things are such low draw.
Time remaining. 4 minutes.
Woo! Yeah, well they are. Yours is 15, mine's 1450. They're close, but they're not scale.
It really wasn't scaled.
No.
As big as the P-47.
No, 47's huge.
Yeah.
I haven't enabled my gyro on this either. I should probably do that. I think it would help.
Smoother flights on windy days.
It will, that's why I'm saying it, because I'm noticing it all over the place today.
Time remaining 3 minutes.
What size battery are you running?
4505. But I'm running low throttle, so I'll be good. I usually get about 8 minutes when I do that. With my 4S 6200, I can get like 12 minutes. Full throttle the whole time. What? The what, huh?
Time remaining 2 minutes.
Oh, Jonelle? Yeah. He can be my guest. Yeah, I know him. Oh, okay. Oh, the Flex jet? Okay.
Not one thing, it's another.
Something wrong with the steering?
Yeah, I didn't adjust it. I forgot.
Whoa, big bird out there.
Time remaining 1 minute.
Okay, go ahead. I'll come in behind you. You don't need flaps, yeah. I never land with flaps with this thing.
Gear down.
It balloons when I do. Alright, I'm coming in, Carl. I'll stay to the side. I see where you are. Just made sure to turn it while I could.
10, 9, 8,
Body on mine.
7, 6,
That's
5,
only reason why I did that aggressive turn is because I knew if it's windy, I'm not going to be able to turn it.
1. Time expired.
That's good. You had a little close moment there, but not bad. Yeah. Good flight.
Yeah.
So those things fly good. I flew mine with Brandon.
Oh yeah?
We loved flying them together.
Yeah, that's a pretty cool plane.
Yeah.